Sometimes I wonder what would happen if I didn't let negative thoughts get into my head and if I would just, for a certain amount of time, just believe in myself more than anyone and don't let doubt dictate the way I perceive my reality. And there's a police car. Currently, we are located in my new studio. There's a painting on the right that I really don't like, which I'm planning to cover with something else. Next week, I have a review for the works I've been creating so far, and I have to kind of present them and defend them in a way. So I have to prepare for that. Also, look at this. This is my little bread crown that I'm still working on right now. Currently, I'm not as busy with painting as I am with baking these breads, but I definitely found myself at this point where I'm super interested in exploring these bread forms. I'm really curious about how long is it going to take until the ants will start eating these. So far, they're all fine. Like, unless I've been trying to make a mold with one of these, there's nothing really wrong with any of them. So I'm back to school and I'm here to install. This should be good. This painting is called In the Bed with the Bees. And so this painting is based on a childhood memory of mine when I was lying in my bed in the dark and I started seeing these bees all around me, which I knew weren't real. And it was kind of like the illusion of the dark, but I was too afraid to touch and make sure they were real. And so that memory inspired me to sort of explore the way our childhood fears evolve and transform into adulthood in this painting. I just had my fifth term review, which is why I'm done. I presented, it went fine, so now I can move on to my next piece.